Okay, go ahead. You excited? Open it. Rip it quickly.
Open it. What?
What is it?
I don't know, but it's for ages 14 and over. Oh, there we go. Can you get some scissors to cut this here? Hold on.
A remote control.
What is it? What is it?
It's a
A remote
remote control helicopter.
control helicopter.
Oh my god.
That's what it's at the store.
It is. It's just like you saw at the mall, right?
Yeah, it will fly high.
That is so cool. What do you say?
Wow,
Say, hey
Riley.
Riley, what do you say to the Coons? Here, look here. Look at the, yep, and what do you say?
Thank you.
Look at the, here, look at the camera.
Thank you.